Hello everyone, this is Videsh Salam from Pest Media. In our previous video, we have designed a booking form or reservation form. In this video, let's design a testimonial carousel, a testimonial section like this here, this one. So for that, we have to use a testimonial widget and a carousel widget here. Almost all the Elementor widgets we are going to use in this website, restaurant website, is from Unlimited Elements add-on for Elementor. So let's use another testimonial widget from here. Let's search testimonials. Okay, here there are some free and some pro or premium widgets for testimonials. Here there is something called testimonial carousel. This is very good, and this is just what we want for this designing this section. But the thing is, this is a premium widget. We do not have access to it. We are designing with only the free plugin. So yeah, this is a limitation for us, but we'll design this carousel widget using only this free testimonial widget. Here there are 3 free widgets. Among them, I like the free box testimonial. This is somewhat similar to this inspirational website, the template that we are imitating. Let's install this widget, box widget, and let's go to pages. Edit with Elementor. Let's edit the home page. Yeah, this is the widget that we had just installed. Here, let's go back down like this, and okay, let's duplicate this section and change the background color. Let's lighten it up a little. Somewhat different to the sorry. Oh, okay, there is background overlay. Let's remove it. Okay, and the background, if okay, something like this. Okay, let's delete this form. Sorry. Okay, and then insert the carousel. Sorry, cut carousel like this. If this is it, and next thing, we're going to remove the arrows, image, title, and button. Leave behind only the text and the bullet. Here, remove the title, button, and image, you can also remove the text. In this content area we will insert shortcuts, and for that let's go back to dashboard, and in anywhere templates, add new. Let's call it testimonials 1. Elementor converse template, publish it, edit with Elementor. Here I have one column section, and then testimonial. Yeah, this is the box testimonial widget that we have installed at the beginning. This is it. And then let's change the background color. Descriptive style, control styles, or color white. Okay. Enable styles. Okay. Okay. And then here in the content, okay, general, background color. Okay, here we have to change it. Something like this. Okay, we can save this section as template. Save as template. Testimonials. Save it. And we can also save this template here. And let's go back, exit to dashboard. Yeah, let's create another testimonials 2. Elementor converse, publish it, edit with Elementor. And here templates, my templates. Here this is the one that we have saved as template. Insert it. One thing you have to remember, I'm just designing the sample, but you have to change the testimonials, wordings, image, name, and designations. For example, says John Doe. John Doe, the mentalist. And you can also change the image, but I have not image, require image, sample image downloaded ready for this. But yeah, I seem to have few images here for designing my previous video about company website. There are some images. We can use this one. For example, we can use this one. Video size is 150 pixel into 150 pixels. Yep. And you can also change try different background color for this. For example, you can change you can try white color, and of course content color black. Something like this. Update it. Exit to dashboard. Like this, you can create all your testimonials. Using the templates here, let's insert the shortcode in our carousel here in the items and content area. Paste the F like this. Star, top decoration, remove the top decoration. Okay, something like this. Background color transparent. Something like this. Border color, no border color. Something like this. There seems to be shadow. Some shadow. Where to remove that? Okay, here is the one. Item shadow. Let's remove this. Good. Okay, this is it. Bottom padding 40. Sorry. Okay, then and the left side about 10, right side 10. Okay, good. Now in the slides items, let's add another item, another slide here. Let's copy this template shortcode in item 2, insert the shortcode like this. Like this, you can add item, add your all shortcodes that you have designed here in the Elementor templates. You can here I have designed only 2 for sample for this design, but you have to design a number of templates, testimonial templates according to your needs. If you want to display 10 testimonials, then you have to design 10 templates. Now let's write this, insert it, something like this. And here name bullet color change to white, active color change to like this. And here background color update it. Let's preview this. Down here. Yep, this is it. Yeah, I cannot see the content. I cannot see that designation. For that, let's add some padding at the bottom. 20, 40. Okay. And refresh. Here, good. Padding. The padding is not the padding of the widget itself, but the padding of each slide. This is an slide. This is an slide. For each slide, single slide. Okay, this is it. This is how we design a here we have not changed this. We have to change it. Testimonials here, testimonials, and here we can also change what they are saying about us. What they are saying about us. Okay. Update it. Good. This is it. This is how we design a testimonials carousel section for our restaurant website. Yeah, it is applicable for any website, for any carousel testimonials using the testimonial widget and in combination with the carousel widget. If you are using Elementor Pro or Elements Pro, any Pro widget, then you do not need to design like this. You can just use testimonials carousel widget. Yes, you can see here we have testimonials carousel widget for the Pro widget. Yep, testimonial carousel. And here in the Elementor 2, if you search carousel, here is testimonials carousel in Elementor Pro. So if you are using Elementor Pro or the Pro plugins, then you do not need this roundabout steps, extra steps to design this testimonial carousel. But if you are using only free plugins to design your website, WordPress website with Elementor website builder, then this is the steps. This is the way. Thanks for watching again, and if you have any questions, doubts, leave a comment below. And if you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day.